Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and Sita. So to get started with a quick overview, Pineapple Builder is a no-code AI-driven website builder tailored for startup, solopreneur, and freelancers looking to create fast, mobile, optimized landing page or one page. It emphasizes speed, simplicity, built-in tools for lead generation and SEO without needing a tech skills. I'm talking about Sita on the other side. Sita is a more creative design focused on website builder, aimed at professionals who want a pixel perfect visual experience with drag and drop functionalities and full design flexibility. It's best suited for designers or entrepreneur or marketer who need a custom layout without touching any lines of code. I'm talking about the strength and the downside of this platform, starting with the Pineapple Builder strength. It has an AI assistant site generation in minutes. It also has a SEO and lead form built in together with the platform. It also has a simple UI for non-technical issues and a fast responsive template. Talking about the downside of the Pineapple Builder AI, it has a limited design flexibility, no true drag and drop editing, and best for one-page site, not complex with web app. And here's the strength and the weakness of the Sita. Starting with the strength, it has a drag and drop editors with a real visual editing, no template, no full freedom over layout or styling. It's also great for prototyping and or a custom marketing pages. On the other side, talking about the weakness of this platform, not beginner friendly, lack built-in suggestions or SEO tools, also slower to build an AI assistant option. So here's the overall conclusion. So if you want a simple AI powered site with a fast startup and built-in lead capture, just go for Pineapple Builder. On the other side, if you prefer a full design flexibility and a comfortable building visual from scratch, just go for Sita. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms will be a game changer to you. Thanks.